April 23rd, 1996. Saw my friends murdered in a shopping centre. Couldn't move because I was numb. And with the power of suggestion, half a Christ, half a Christ. I wanna buy half a Christ. I'll smother it, I'll fuck with it, I'll fuck it till it dies. Then I'll burn all the pretty part. Keep it in my hand. Smash it in. Back down on the wrench. Just me and my circular saw. Over here on 1930-46, I wasn't remembering what I could deal without. There was a man that was a cadaver. He was all about the fish. I was sitting on the ocean, and there comes in that, and it's no. I was telling you about it, and that's nearly means right in the petty parts. Keep it in. Smash me. Back down on the wrench. Keep it in. Smash it. Back down on the wrench. Just me and my circular saw.